PED. This video will be about price elasticity of demand. PED measures the responsiveness of quantity demanded given a change in price. In other words, it measures how elastic the demand of a product is to its price. For example, when soda drinks are sold at $1 and 100 people want to buy it, when the price decreases to 90 cents, then 200 people will want to buy it. When the product is price elastic, the line is less steep. So when, for example, the price of soda drinks goes up by 50 cents from 200 cents, the quantity demanded decreases by 500 from 1,000. Respectively, when a product is price inelastic, then only a big change in price will significantly affect the quantity demanded of a product. For example, when the price of butter goes up by $1, then the quantity demanded will not decrease significantly. When the product is price inelastic, then the line will be steeper. So when the price of butter goes up from 200 cents to 250 cents, the demand will decrease only by 100, from 1,000 to 900. So now that we've learned what PED is and how it looks like on a graph, how do we calculate it? Well, it's not that hard. PED is calculated by dividing the percentage in quantity demanded by the percentage change in price. The percentage change in quantity demanded is worked out by dividing the change in quantity by the original quantity times 100, whilst the percentage change in price is calculated by dividing change in price by the original price times 100%. Easy peasy, right? But there's one more thing. If the PED is less than 1, the demand is inelastic. If the PED is more or equals to 1, the demand is elastic. The higher the number, the more elastic is the demand for the product. Let's look at the example of soda drinks. Remember, the initial price is $1 and the demand is 100. Then the price decreases to 90 cents and the demand increases to 200. And remember, PED is calculated by dividing the percentage change in quantity by the percentage change in price. The percentage change in quantity is calculated by dividing the change in quantity by the original quantity times 100. In this case, it would be 100 divided by 100 times 100%, which is just 100. And the percentage change in price is change in price divided by original price times 100, which in this case would be 0.10 divided by 0.90 times 100. Which equals to 11.1 recurring. Therefore, the PED for soda drinks is 100 divided by 11.1 recurring, which is approximately 9. And remember, if the PED is less than 1, the demand is inelastic. If the PED is more or equal to 1, the demand is elastic. The PED for soda drinks is 9, so the demand is really elastic.